you did with the potato pancakes.
Yeah, like I said, I 99% I did it on that, and then Ronnie said, "Mom, why are you doing?"
Did it on this grade?
Yeah, but I did the onions. I did already. I grated the onion on a regular.
Oh, which one? This one?
Yeah.
So onions?
See, that's onions, yeah.
And how many onions?
Just half.
Half
an onion for this, because it's still going to be a lot of potato pancakes.
Okay.
I was surprised.
And then you're doing a dice.
Oh yeah, for that you have to, you know, for this you have.
Processor, okay.
Yeah.
And then what's this? And this is the food processor, and then
and then pulverize it.
Yeah.
And it saves this.
Yeah, saves your arm.
I think it should be enough, but we will try it with a teaspoon.
And is that cornstarch?
Huh? Little bit more. There's still a little. I could feel a little bit, you know, pieces. Yeah.
Okay.
But that's okay. I mean, they're gonna cook out, but. That's enough. Come on. Okay.
So what's in there so far?
Yeah, see?
What's in the bowl so far? Just
Yeah.
more all the potatoes?
Yeah, the onions already in there and the flour's in there.
And how much flour did you put in?
And just salt.
How much flour?
Oh, how much flour for this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gee. Probably like that, like not quite. Yeah, half a cup for this, because it's quite a bit. I'm surprised. I didn't even know it's going to be that much.
Okay.
But the potatoes were big.
So it'd be there was 4 red potatoes.
Yeah, there were 4. You've seen those potatoes, they were about that big.
Okay.
I'm just going to put an egg in there.
So you did 4 red potatoes, right?
Put an egg.
4 red potatoes.
Ah,
You did 4 red potatoes.
yeah,
Half an onion.
yeah. 1 egg.
1 egg.
Half a cup of flour.
Half a cup of flour. And
Salt, pepper.
Salt, pepper. How much salt, pepper? Just to taste.
Jeez, I cannot regulate you boiling.
And just salt and pepper to taste.
Yeah, to taste. That should be enough.
Okay.
And I also put parsley.
Parsley. Okay.
Yeah. I like parsley in my potato pancakes. Just, that's enough.
Any other ingredients? Or is that it?
And salt.
Oh, and salt. Yeah,
And salt. And again, it's to taste, you know what I mean? We'll see. I'll mix it and I'll taste it.
Okay. That was a teaspoon?
I put in not even a full teaspoon, but...
Okay.
So easier on your arm.
Yeah, versus grating all that. But you can't...
You have a food processor?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Shh. Allison wouldn't have it. I don't know why I put parsley. It looks prettier.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks cute. Ronnie, first time when she tasted it, she said, "Mom, why you put parsley?" I said, "Because it looks pretty." Presentation.
Exactly. And then how do you cook it?
Well, we'll be cooking in a minute.
Okay.
Oh, I found a piece of potato. Oh yeah, you know, sometimes.
What temperature on the canola oil?
Oh, yeah, I put this oil.
Just the canola oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or Crisco canola oil, any oil. Western is good oil.
Okay.
Western is very good oil.
And what kind of heat?
Huh?
What kind of heat?
I don't know.
Like a medium heat?
Let it heat up for the skillet, and then you adjust it just like anything else. In the beginning it's larger, you know what I mean, higher heat, and then adjust it so you won't burn them because they have to get done. You know, because it takes a while for the potato pancakes to finish cooking. This in there. See, they come out so nice. I usually put 4. I don't like to crowd them. Like I said, you know, and see, red potatoes do not, when you grate them, they don't turn dark, you know what I mean? Russet potatoes do. That's why I always use red potatoes. Doing good. And
how long do you think?
And we'll get it. The first one always sticks. The first one is always a low problem. But that's okay. Second one will not do it. Let me see, let me get this. And I think I should move this. Yeah.
Run out of room.
Yeah. That's okay. First ones are always. Second one will be okay. Okay. That's it. And just let them cook until they're done. Let them fry until they're done. It takes a while for, as you know, for potatoes to get done. So we get a bowl. And, well, the heat, yeah, the heat may be even a little bit less. Because I want them to cook good, I don't want them burnt. And I put paper towel on the bottom to, you know, when I take them out to, you know, to get the grease, extra grease out. Yeah. You're going to be stubborn enough over here? The first one, huh? I like them golden brown.
You think you flip each one twice?
Well, whatever. It doesn't.
Whatever it needs, golden brown.
Whatever, you know what I mean. It doesn't matter. Always churn, you know, but sometimes I churn them twice, sometimes I don't. It all depends. That's optional. It's stuck.
That's pretty easy, actually.
Sure, it's easy. There's nothing to it. People make it hard, you know what I mean, if they don't want to make it. Well, what's so hard? I peel the potatoes, and especially if you don't grate them, you do it with that. Puree them and add the stuff and start frying. Yeah.
10 minutes.
That's what I told you on the phone. Yeah. Like I said, people who don't want to cook make it like it's so hard. Like, oh my God, making potato pancakes like it's silly. People who like to cook, nothing is hard. And your grandma happened to like to cook, so for me it's not hard. Because it isn't. Yeah, and you want them nice and golden. Just take them out.
And those are pretty much done.
Pretty soon. And then you can taste it.
Okay.
And you like applesauce or sour cream?
Both.
Both? Oh, okay. I got both.
Have you ever eaten them with cottage cheese?
Cottage cheese for what?
I don't know.
For potato pancakes?
Yeah.
What's the matter with you?
I don't know. So no cottage cheese?
No cottage cheese, not for potato pancakes.
You don't think it would taste good?
Cottage cheese.
So is potato pancakes, is that I guess what kind of
Ooh,
ethnic food is it? Is it just
hey.
just an Eastern European, Belarusian style? What kind of style pancakes are they?
Sauerkraut?
No.
Sauerkraut?
No, what kind of style? Are they like Belarusian, Eastern European?
Oh.
What ethnicity? Do you know?
No, I don't.
Or is it just Grandma's recipe?
See? Right there. Here's your potato pancakes.
And there's our finished product.
Start again.
Sour cream and applesauce.
And start all over again. That's all. That's how hard it is, huh, Michael?
It's really hard.
Oh, I mean, unbelievable.
Alright, Grandma. Nice job. So no cottage cheese?
No cottage cheese, Michael. No cottage cheese.
Okay.
Here's a plate.